you here with us today. And Max is one of the speakers at this edition, and I would like to ask you a couple of questions. How does it feel like to be presenting on an event like this?
Oh, I absolutely love it. Like it's an amazing event. I personally, honestly think it's like one of the best data events that we currently have in Europe. And it's the fourth time that I'm here speaking. I've been here for the last 4 years consecutively. I love the level of engagement of the people. Both the speakers that have like amazing topics that were selected, as well as the attendees as well. Love to dive deep into like conversations that go from super high level to like deep technical, like anything that you can have, and it's just like it's an amazing setup to be in.
That's great to hear. We're really happy that you enjoy it. And from your experience, I would like to ask you, what is let's say the biggest challenge for organizations when it comes to data analytics and AI?
Mm-hmm. I honestly think it's actually making it happen. Because like there's a lot between theorizing and doing the dirty work to actually like understand what data you have, make sure it actually becomes usable, find the right business use cases that you want to apply it for, find the right insights that you want to get from it, and then of course like driving that forward in terms of like productionizing your use cases, be it on the analytical side or also like on the AI side, to like really understand what purpose do you want to fulfill, but at the same time how can you actually make that happen, because that what we see a lot in all organizations is that there's a large skill gap in terms of having the right people that are actually capable of getting there. So all the organizations are learning, which makes a lot of sense because the field is moving all the time, right? And like we have like a different buzzword, a different hype every single year, and being able to catch up with that and then put that into practice inside of an organization, that's usually the hard part.
And I would like to ask you, how do you think that events like this, like the Data Innovation Summit, would help both practitioners and organizations to come up with better solutions when it comes to these fields, and also, like you mentioned, make it happen in reality, and not just theoretically?
Yeah. I think like it's all about the exchange, right? Like being able to connect with people. I heard an interesting story earlier where like two people that were literally in the same town that didn't know each other, and they came to the conference, they talked to each other for the first time, and they realized they are stuck on the exact same thing, but one of them had advanced a little bit further in one area and the other had advanced a little bit further in another area. And by the time they could actually exchange on that, they saved like weeks of execution and research on both of the sides. And like that is like really what is the most important part about like going to events like this, like having the possibility to exchange with people, to meet new people, to make new connections, and to learn from the best in the industry that can like share their experience, that can share knowledge. A lot of the vendors here as well are like covering exactly the space that like everybody is looking at. So also trying to understand how you can sometimes not have to solve everything yourself, but also like there are companies out there that provide solutions that you can lever. That is like super important, and for that as well, events like this really help to understand what's out in the market, both in the side of where other companies stand, but also in terms of connecting with software vendors that might actually be able to help you.
That's a great answer. You mentioned that every year the hype is different when it comes to data and AI. So I would like to touch upon that. If you had to describe the Data Innovation Summit with one word or buzzword, what would that be?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yes, I think it's absolutely amazing. It has been such a great event for the past years. And again, like I was here for the first time in 2021. It's like my fourth time now, and just like getting the chance to follow up on such a great organization year after year after year, and being able to deliver an amazing event every single time. Big kudos to you folks, because I absolutely love being here.
Thank you, Max.